Hey, and I just want to show you how to join up letters. So this project is linked to my party straw project. So I'm using the billionaire text, which is a double layered text. And because of that, I want to separate the text. So this text, I'm going to ungroup it. And then I'm going to click the eye so that you can see the black background. And once you've done that, you are able to take away your top layer. So I don't want the green. I'm going to delete the green and use the black. I'm going to ungroup it and move all of my letters closer together so that the project is joined up. This will create a solid paper cut rather than different letters, so I can cut it out as one word and then glue it to my straws. Now it's really important that you then weld your letters together. So once you get it exactly how you want it, group it, then highlight it all and weld it, and then that means that it will print as a solid piece. Hope that was helpful and happy making.